Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies from the four different top private universities. So here, there are the opportunities are there for the professor associate as well as assistant professor and the non-teaching vacancies too. So the candidates who qualified the PG as well as with UGSNet or without UGSNet, with PhD or without PhD, the opportunities are there. So let us see the details regarding all these notifications from the four different private universities. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one is the Sandeep University, and here you may check down in the careers block. Okay, so here the fill up the form below and then get started. So the post you are applying for what and what is your qualification. Okay, so subject, branch and the DOB. So all these things you have to mention here, upload photo as well as the CV, and then click on this one. So your entire details will be uploaded here. And here coming to the schools, that means if you belongs to the engineering and technology branches and computer science and engineering, then the commerce and management, pharmaceutical science, law, school of science, fashion design and beauty, and cosmetology and interior design. So if your discipline is regarding to any one of these things, then you must start filling up this application form. Okay, so it is a one university, and coming to the place of this university, you may check down. Okay, it is from the Bihar guys. Okay, so two campuses are there. One is the Nasik campus and second one is the Sijol campus. So from both these two campuses, if the vacancies are there, then as per your filled details here in the online application form, okay, so you will be get selected. And coming to the next college is Rai University. Fine. So from this university, it is from Gujarat guys, Ahmedabad. So from this university you may check down. So professor associate and assistant professor as well as a teaching assistant too. That means few non-teaching positions are also there here. So coming to the school of the pharmacy, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology and quality assurance, and lab assistant and lab attendant. So management studies is also there. Finance, HRM, marketing, hospital and health management, soft skills and personality development trainer. And coming to the school of engineering, mechanical, civil, computer science, information and cyber security. And in School of Sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biotechnology and microbiology. And coming to the non-teaching positions, so manager or assistant manager or admission, and admission counselor or telecallers. Okay, so the few more vacancies are there. And coming to the qualification as per the UGC norms and application procedure, so apply for the job from the career section on our website, or else you may send your resume to the HR department, that is hrm@raiuniversity.edu. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this number guys. Here the contact number is also there. So by clicking on this apply now button, then the online application form will start here. Okay, so fill up all these details. Okay, fill up all these details and then click on the submit. Then your details will be sent to the university guys. Okay, and coming to the next one is, it is Chaitanya deemed to be university. So in this one you may check down the vacancies here. So it is from Warangal guys. Applications are invited for the following post: professor, associate and assistant professor. So in Department of Engineering and Technology, CSC EEE, ECE, Mechanical and Civil. And coming to the pharmacy also given here. And eligibility conditions are as per the UGC or ACT regulations. And the interested candidates may send by post, okay, or else a soft copy. It's better to mail your resume and the necessary things to the chaitanya@cdu.ac.in by evening 5 o'clock on or before 7th April 2021. Okay, it is a third one. And while coming to the fourth private universities, SRM University from Andhra Pradesh. And in the careers blog, you may check down the current openings here. So dean positions as well as the faculty positions and IDEA and other positions are also there. So coming to the faculty positions, just click on this one. So here also professor, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there. So if you click on the apply button, then you will be directed to the form guys. So school applying to, so which school you are trying to apply, that means engineering and applied sciences, liberal arts and social sciences, entrepreneurship and the management studies, and for which position you are applying. right? And applicant information as well as the education and employment. Okay, all these details you have to carefully fill up, guys. Okay, so after filling up, then your details will be sent to the SRM University. Then based upon their requirement, you will get a call. Fine. So total, these are the three very big private universities, guys. So you will get the pay scale too. So one is SRM University from AP, and second one is Chaitanya University from Warangal, and next one is Rai University from Ahmedabad, and next one is Sandeep University. Fine. So eligible and interested candidates may start applying through this one, guys. Okay, so if you're having only PG also, fill up the online application form. So for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide